Alright, welcome back ladies and gentlemen to the Chupacabra Tutorials channel. I'm your host Larry, and today I'm going to show you how you can level all of your attack skills in one convenient place full of a bunch of perpetual immortals, so long as you don't do their quest chain. This includes your weapons, your spells, whatever you want to throw at them. You can even unequip your blade and start going to town at them, just punching the pants off of them. And to do this, all you have to do is find your way to this little shrine over here, the Peryite Shrine, which is to the east of Bravel. And then the easiest way probably to get here is you can either run the road from over here, next to the Imperial City. You just swim across and then run down across here. Or you can teleport to the Bay Rowan Stables, and you can run down here and cross the river down here, or you can just swim across like I did. I will note that horses do not swim very fast, so unless you yourself swim fast, it might be easier to run down, cross the river, and then come over here. Then you can just follow this river, and it's right here. There's nothing special you need to do to get it so that they're immortal. They just start that way until you activate and complete their quest chain. And this is just so convenient, I see absolutely no reason why I shouldn't just continue to exploit this for all of my skill leveling needs. They're basically just free punching bags. So you can do hand-to-hand leveling, and I can also level my magic here as well. So that'll be it for this one, ladies and gentlemen. This is a free leveling spot for all of your favorite skills. And I'll catch you next time. And don't forget to do the likey, subscribey thing.